Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Xbox controller has fresh batteries or a 50% plus charge, and that Gameloop is updated. Enable Windows Bluetooth if you plan wireless, or plug a USB/OTG cable for wired input. Install Microsoft Xbox drivers so Windows recognizes the controller. Once done, pair the controller in Windows settings or plug it in. Gameloop will need the OS to expose the device before mapping controls inside the emulator. With the controller recognized by Windows, open Gameloop and launch your target game. Navigate to Gameloop's keyboard/controller mapping menu. You'll see controller input if Windows exposed it. Create a new profile. Map the Xbox buttons to corresponding touch or key events, A to primary fire, LT/RT to triggers, sticks to virtual joystick. Save and name the profile. You do this because Gameloop uses mappings, not raw input, so a saved profile ensures consistent behavior across sessions. Finish by testing controls in-game and in Gameloop's test panel to verify axes and button responses. If the sticks feel off, adjust dead zones and sensitivity inside mapping options so movement matches expectation. Save the profile and load it automatically for that game. If the controller doesn't work, try restarting Gameloop, reconnecting the controller, reinstalling Xbox drivers, or switching to a wired connection. These steps fix driver exposure or Bluetooth pairing issues that prevent Gameloop from seeing the device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.